Good evening, sir. And my name is Kranti Priya. I'm going with MS Office basics. In this, we are going to learn today is a folder and paint, input and output, hardware and software. This is a MS Office first class, and we are going to class what is computer. And we know all about computer, and computer is one of the electrical device, and we can store information and data, and we can do more things in computer, that is sending mails, documents, play games, browser, web, and you can also detail so many things in the Excel and presentation and many videos. This is a computer basics, and this is about computer. And next we are going to a folder. Folder is nothing but a file, and we are using our phone and computer. In that we have folders, and we can store 10 and thousands of files in one folder. You can also store the process of documents, and we can videos and softwares all in one folder. Okay, and folder is cutter on your computer and help you find the files in your net. Okay, and this is a folder information. We are going to a MS Paint. MS Paint is nothing but first of all we have to learn about MS Office. What is the things we have? MS Office, in that we have four types of things, that is MS Paint and MS Word and MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. And we are learning for painting basics. We have to learn graphic arts on a computer, including every version of MS Office Word. And in this we have so many colors, arts and shapes. We can see more in this, and we can draw many of paints and colors, white shades, pencils, and many things and tools also we have in this. And
Yeah,
next
ma'am, you can
we
share
are
the PPT if you wish. You can share
yeah,
the
I'm
screen.
sharing, sir.
No, it's not
Yeah,
visible. Actually, you are visible.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah.
Now, okay, sir.
1 second, 1 second. Yes, it is visible now. Okay, carry on.
Okay. And we are going. Next topic is input units and output units. And in computer, we have a input units and output units. That is, input units are keyboard, mouse, screen, touch screen, and webcam, and devices. You can learn about what is input. Okay, and next we are going to output units. Output units is nothing but is a monitor, printer, headphones and computer and speakers and so many. Okay, and next topic is hardware and software. In any computer we have a hardware and software, two things. Okay, and we are going to hardware. Hardware is nothing but a physical structure. Okay, that is a keyboard, mouse. It is also included as a computer internal parts. Okay, and next we are going to a software. Software is nothing but is a set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do and how to do it. Okay, and this is a topic and the first topic, and we are going to class 2. This is a second topic. Second topic is nothing but is a Windows shortcut keys. We have to learn more things about shortcut keys. We have a hundreds of shortcut keys in this. This is the basic shortcuts. We have a so many shortcuts: general shortcuts, document shortcuts, and edit shortcuts, and formatting shortcuts. Okay, we are learning about a general shortcuts. Okay, and we are opening a new document. We have to click a control and N. Okay, and next we have to open existing document. Is nothing but we have to close the document. We have to click on control plus O. Okay, and any document we are saving, that is the completed, we can save Control plus S. Okay. And next we are going to rolling box. We have to open F12. Okay, we have to click that. And next, closing the document. Total window is closing when we have to click on Control W. Okay, we have so many options in Word. We have to Word and we have to click on some tools. Some we have to edit. That is more and more shortcuts are there. 1 second, sir. Okay, and next, Alt plus Control plus L is a removing of window. And next we have to wave print layout is a Control Alt plus V, and outline wave is a Control Alt plus O, and track wave is a Control Alt plus N, and view print preview Control plus F2, and opening help. We have a opening button in MS Word. We can see that, and that is the F1. And next is Alt plus Q is the opening. Tell me what you want to do box. Okay. And next, refresh and select file coding. We have to click on F9. Okay. And next, finding word in a document. You have completed any document. You have we have to find with a name. We have to click on Control plus F. Okay. And in Word we have any grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, we have to click on F5, F7. Okay. And next is Shift plus F7, opening the meanings of selection word. We have find out some documents we have completed. In that we have many mistakes and grammar mistakes. We have to click on Shift plus F7. Some options will be find out that you can click on grammar mistakes. Select the word and then you have to click on meaning. Okay. And next we are going to document shortcuts. And shift right and left and right arrow is nothing but selecting the right and left. Okay. We have to next is Control plus Shift plus left and right arrow. Extend one by one word selection to the left or right. Okay. And next is Shift plus up down arrow. Selection up or down line one by one. Okay. And next is Shift plus up down arrow. Selecting up or down wall. Paragraph, we have to select the paragraph one by one. That is, we have to select, click on Control plus Shift plus up arrow or down arrow. Okay. And next we have to Shift plus ending selection of characters up to end line. We have a one word. We have to select upper to downwards. We have to select Shift plus end. Okay. And next is Shift plus home selection of characters up to the first line. We have to select first line. We have to go to Shift plus home selection. Okay. And next is Control plus Shift plus home. End selection of characters to being or end. Okay. And next is Shift plus page up, page down. Select the characteristics to one screen up or down. Okay. And next Control plus A selection entering documents. Okay, we have to enter the documents. We have to click on Control. And next is Control plus Shift plus 8 selection a column. We have in MS Word columns option. We have to select Control plus Shift. You can select a 8 selection of columns.